Black Canary was my favorite.
It's been a while. Cold weather got me with the sniffles.
Me too.
We're going to power through this video though, because like I said, it's been a while.
A month.
It's been a month. And it's been a lot. It's like life. That's all I can say. It's just...
Well, we had the holidays and stuff.
Well, you know, holidays too. That's part of life.
Yeah.
I
mean, a little break.
Oh.
Enjoy that thing called life.
Oh yeah.
Get hit by that thing called life.
Whew, straight out of nowhere.
Get back up from the thing called life.
I'm still kind of rocked a little bit.
And you have today.
I'm leaning against the cage.
Today was a good day.
Today was a good day. Today was a fantastic day.
We beat life today.
I won't say that.
Just today.
I like the optimism, but I ain't gonna say alright. What I will say is, once again, today was a great day.
That's gonna happen.
Told you. I'm gonna leave every sneeze and sniffle in there too.
That's okay. What's the weather?
Yeah.
I just took some medicine, but that means I'm gonna be like in a minute.
Yeah. So we're gonna get through this video pretty swiftly, so she can go to sleep. She's not feeling the greatest, but like I said, we gotta get this knocked out. We will have her start us off with what she decided to get today.
I got 2 fliss. My sister gave me 2 gift cards that she got from Build-A-Bear, and I went to Build-A-Bear and got 2 fliss. And a saddle. But I couldn't just get 2 fliss, so I got this with the gift cards. And then I got his wife, which I named Ice because she doesn't have a name.
That's with 2 E's, by the way.
Yeah, so it's like icy, but like no.
Icy.
Ice.
Icy.
No, it's ice.
I see you.
No, just ice. She's unique. She has 2 E's in her name.
Oh.
Second E is silent. Because she's all like majestic and beautiful. We just can't touch her because she's white. So as soon as this is over, she's going to go get put up and no one's ever going to touch her.
Yeah, she's going to separate a family that she just started.
Oh, they're going to go back together.
Oh, they're going to go to bed together forever with all the rest of her stuffed animals.
Fall.
We're going to put her in an airtight baggie.
Right.
Vacuum sealed.
Get a box that's like big enough to fit her in.
Why do you get a Build-A-Bear box?
Because I can't see through that. I'm going to get a clear box. I'm going to put her in it so I can see through it.
We could like cut a hole in the front, like a little window.
I'm like, here, baby, I can only see your face. No.
Yeah.
She's so firm. I love when they make them firm so they can last, like their fluffiness lasts longer.
Her paw's red.
Oh, she's already got dirt on her. No, I think it's the stitching.
That's the stitching? Okay. I don't know, just kind of just shining through. She has a bloody paw.
She has a birthmark. Leave her alone.
Oh, it's her birthmark?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what she died last time.
Their names are Toothless Castillo, my name. Ice Castillo with 2 E's, my name. He's mad I didn't give them. I think I gave her your name. So
yeah, Diana Cullens.
She's Diana Marie Cullens.
Yeah, DMC.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I was feeling very like, these are mine, so they got my last name.
No, it's cool. We're going to go down to the courthouse and get that changed.
No, we're not. They're going to go right here. Only for like the part 2 of this.
I want to come in so intense right now, just like smack them off the table and then smack it on.
Oh, dare you. Oh, look! His tail has 2 different like textures because this piece is fake in the movie.
Oh, yeah.
So this piece is shiny and this piece is like a matte.
They should have made it brown.
It is brown, maybe.
Yeah. Don't you mean mug me, sir?
You saw what you said.
He kind of reminds me of Junie. Bless you, that's 3.
Don't tell them.
I'm sorry.
What's wrong with you? But yeah. That's cool, I just realized that.
I thought it 3. I don't bless past 3.
The other day it wasn't bless past 2. I just go bless you all day.
I don't know you like that.
Okay, you know what? Next part. I'm done.
And for me, because if you don't know, you should know. Okay? We were baking her bears or whatever. Or not even bears, they were dragons.
You know. Yeah, looking just for me, not for him at all.
Build a dragon workshop. And,
so funny.
Yeah, it was funny to me, don't be rude. Since it is this special person's 80th birthday last year, things are still out.
It's still coming.
And still coming out. I mean, a couple of places we went to later on, they still got stuff coming in. And
it's someone else's birthday this year, and they still got stuff
coming
in.
They was like, oh, it's your birthday. It's cool, you know. He's a little bit bigger of a star than you. You know? You know.
Make better movies than this one, but whatever.
You know, not better than his movies. Maybe as the entire universe, the whole universe, maybe. But his movies alone, you know, got Grammys and stuff, and
okay,
not Grammys, but whatever the awards, Oscars and stuff. I don't
know
awards.
That.
I mean, you know, this man, he can sing if he wanted to.
Oh,
you know,
yeah,
he's special like that.
Lego Movie was popping.
Oh, wasn't fire without him.
You might as well tell them what we're talking about.
You know. So, you know, for the dudes, my boy Kevin, K-Dub, you know what I mean? You know, we be tight like that, you know, called K-Dizzle. Boom! What's up, y'all? It's K-Dub. This is their 80th anniversary, Batman Bear. I'm not really a Build-A-Bear person.
Oh, yeah, no, not at all.
Not at all. No. I legit, my first bear was a surprise date for her, and she's like, no, you gotta get you a bear. And so I got this Batman bear.
No, it was your birthday.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was.
It was?
It was your birthday, and you didn't know this was gonna happen because I was like, I want to go to Build-A-Bear, and you're like, okay, I've never been there, and he didn't know. I was like, we're building bears today. He's like, we're doing what? And this is when.
Yeah, this one is
just. Yeah, it's soft. You could go back and put more stuff in it. This is when Justice League.
You had to be, because all three of them.
Yeah, and they had Batman, Wonder Woman, and Superman. We intended to go back.
We had all intended.
But then life hit us that time, so we just kind of forgot. But we're gonna get it so we can have them sit here.
We can order them online.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
But yeah,
this is his first.
This is my first one.
This is his second. He built this one too. He doesn't remember.
You built which one?
You built that one.
You built it. I went upstairs.
No, you were with me.
I thought I went upstairs.
No, you went upstairs when I was clothing him, but you did the heart ceremony.
Yeah.
I put his clothes on to pick his outfit and stuff.
Anyways,
yeah. Hey,
yeah, he has all the different Batman logos all over him, from original to Dark Knight to Batman Forever. So I thought this was really dope. Yeah, there's this one here.
Oh, it's a weird skinny one. I didn't know what it was.
Yeah. So I saw it and I was like, they have a Joker one too. It doesn't say, anything reference to him on the foot, but it has a little Joker picture to match the Batman one on the foot.
It says ha 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 all over it, right?
Yeah, it just says ha 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 to the Batman logos. And he has this weird green troll hair. It was really awkward. I was like, nah, I'm not doing that. But he's only $8. She likes sets, so we'll probably end up with him too at some point, and you'll find out.
He likes sets too. It had cute little coat on. He wants a cute little coat.
They had the whole little outfit.
Don't let him sit here and tell you it's just me.
You do want the set. I don't really care for the Joker like that. Having him for that purpose. I mean,
well, you don't want it. You don't have to get it.
I don't care. We won't get it.
Okay, done.
Okay, fine.
Great.
So yeah, and they had a little Batman suit for him. It was the new 52 one, but he just looked weird.
Yeah.
Looked really weird. I mean, bad enough.
It took away from his fur.
It's cool. Yeah, if it was just a regular bear and maybe had Batman emblem on there.
I mean, they had the same type of thing for this one, and that's why you didn't get it, because it took away from the suit.
Yeah. So I got one suit, one without. But other than that, I'm not really a bear person.
Let me get him some shorts, some black shorts.
And
naked, you know what I mean?
He's not naked. He's protected by justice.
Oh.
His clothing is justice.
No, I'll do it. Thank you.
Okay.
It was my thing. I did this. Yep. Let me add. I'll do it. Take mine out of the flame. Make it all DC. Because that's how you want it. They can't fit back there. They're too big.
They're too big. Scared of the living crap out of our cats.
I don't know. It really took to him. Not this one. I think it's white. We don't trust this white thing.
But,
that one.
not today, sir. So, as the day progressed on,
that was our only planned event.
that was it. We were going to do that. I had to go to the restroom, and I was like, boom, let's go. But I was like, we just can't not come out here. We ain't been to the mall in months. Months of Sundays. So, we were like, all right, cool. We're going to go all the way to the end and walk our way back to the car on the other end. And we'll stop all the stores that we like. We did so. With additional purchases involved in that situation as well. One of them we'll get to later on before, the generalized thing for everything for this any other video. But, during that process, we ran into something else that was really cool. It was a Batman pop with the Hall of Justice setup. It was really fantastic. We didn't get it though.
No. It was really cool. I saw it on Instagram like weeks ago.
Yeah.
And then seeing it in person, I was like,
Batman and Friends. Superman and Friends,
It was a little out of our budget.
Yeah. And so, what had happened was, we saw the Jim Gordon and Batman with the Batman light. We didn't get that one either.
It's so cool though. We're gonna try.
Instead,
I saw this next to them. He was too focused on those to see this one.
I saw that one. I saw this one first. But I'm still looking for as many 80th anniversary ones as I can find.
He wasn't thinking about this.
Yeah, I was like, it's cool. I can't really see into it.
Yeah, it was like, it was on the highest thing. It was tilted up, so you couldn't even see anything.
Tilted up, the light was shining on it, so it was like really reflected. All you saw was like...
But me being me, and who was in this, I looked it up, and I looked at it, I was like, we're getting that. That's too cool.
Yeah, so... Not only are we showing you all the crap we bought today, we have 5 unboxings. Usually we go with, smallest to middlest to largest to one day super big.
Oh yeah, that's in the next video. A little vlog thing. He got so sad.
Oh man.
It's okay. It's okay. He got really sad. He got really excited. He was really high and he was really low.
I was ready to go home after that point. I was like, I get this. I'm going home. I don't need nothing else.
You don't need to eat. You don't need to see.
I'll go home and cook.
We watched a movie. Didn't need to do that.
Nope. So instead we got this.
Don't say like it's horrible because I love this.
I just said I like it. I'm just saying this other item was
his holy
somewhere
grail.
else. Oh, yeah. It would have been a good start to a.
Be on top of the.
He's too big for that.
He's too big.
He would be too big for that.
He would be too heavy.
That as well. We would he probably would not come out of the box, to be honest, until we finish our hunt. Yeah.
I can see that.
But this is a really great, what is it? Constellation prize. I don't say constellation, but constellations are stars. So I had to think about the word. I'm getting a YouTube brain.
This is a great find.
It is a fantastic one. Also because we don't have a really big double.
Yeah. Everything we spent the money, yes, but we got it all on sale.
Yeah.
So we actually didn't spend that much money because I had cash for his little bear. So that was that didn't really take away from anything.
My little bear.
His $8 bear.
It's justice incarnate, alright? That's what
he popped up too.
He was like, whoa, what? He showed some respect.
Okay. For his bear, period.
Calm down. Alright, I got you. He got
eyes.
He got the little smirk like, you got me fucked up. You got me fucked up.
Your language is great. I love this.
We got Batman and Catwoman.
It's kind of like
I don't
dark.
know what moment this is. I'm gonna look into it. GameStop exclusive. So that's the other great thing about
cool.
it.
I didn't even know that. I was like, Catwoman, Batman. Cats will be crawling in that later.
No, I'm putting that away before they can get to it. I'm not having no shredded boxes around here. We got the back out. Man, let me just hold this where it don't fall out. We'll get a little bit closer. And it all cracks in half. I'll be heartbroken. Look at that. Oh, man. Bless you. so effortlessly.
My turn.
Woo!
That's how you throw. Oh, it's solid.
Yeah, it is. The way his cape feels, it feels like it's metal. It's not. So it's crazy, man.
It's a very hard plastic. Very hard.
That's a lot of reused water bottles.
Not like these can move.
Yeah.
This ain't moving. This ain't moving.
This has to do something with poison ivy.
It has to be.
Having something with poison ivy, and he's dropping in to save her.
Oh, what if it is? The swoosh, I got you, honey.
They always like, get Catwoman, he'll come. One day he's gonna be like,
oh yeah, there's a point where Poison Ivy's like, we could just turn on Cat because she knows who Batman really is.
yeah, and Batman Hush.
Is it?
It's like that, yeah.
There's a couple times where Poison Ivy's like,
it's a good movie though.
we can get her to tell us. She's talking to Harley.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, that happens a couple times. So it could be that. It could be them going to get her. Him going to get her and then he gets in trouble. Because like the vines are going after to get him.
Yeah. Either that or he's just kind of dropping down behind him.
No, I'm choosing it's that.
Okay, I like that too. You know?
I like how her lenses are blue, but I think in my other statues are green or.
They're like a greenish yellow. Yeah, the ones that come
These
off.
are blue.
I wonder if she has like a collection of different colors.
She's like today.
Cat eyes. Yeah, she's like
feeling blue. These are nice.
Yeah, I like it.
The platform. Usually, like they're not the staplest of things.
That's gonna look really good when I put him up there in Gotham. I want him to have his own spotlight. It's so dope.
It really is. It's got such good detail.
And usually,
his body's got good detail. You don't even really see it, but if you
Yeah.
like look at it up close, you're like, look at that belt. It's a nice belt.
if you kind of tilt it up a little bit, you kind of see the emblem on his chest.
Yeah, you could get a flashlight real quick. And you could see it all his arms.
We all up in it. Y'all can't even see it. It's cool. I'll show y'all some
He'll show
pictures. Yeah.
He's got muscle definition.
I did like a POV.
They did detail they didn't have to do, but they did. His boots look good.
That's why they're taking over the game.
Like we were never we were determined not to be pop people.
Yeah, we really did not want to go down that road.
We're not gonna be pop people.
What got us caught up? It was because we won those Sam Pops. Not Sam. What is it? Is it Sam?
No, it's
From Saw. Is that the name of Sam?
Rugrats. I got some Rugrats pops.
Then we got the.
You got me my first pop, which was Harley Quinn Arkham Knights.
Okay.
That was our first one technically. But then at Pinballs, I had enough points to get Tommy, Reptar, and
Chucky.
And Chucky. So I got them. And then we kept getting them.
When we get, I thought the song. I don't know. I'm bugging.
Oh, Billy.
That's his name.
My grandpa got that from work.
That
That didn't
was
really start for me because that's
Oh.
what my cousin chewed on.
Yeah.
Because Billy, no one cares.
He got two, and he wasn't touching mine. I'll fight him.
Yeah. That didn't really start it. It was kind of the Rugrats after that. We kind of just kept getting them. So yeah, it's a lot.
And I never really had a Batman pop, like you heard me say in the Batman video, until she got me the Batman rides. And
You're being a good boy. he handled a big boy surgery. Be happy you got it, because look at it. Because you got that one, you have all of these Batman ones. So you're welcome. I kickstarted something for you.
yeah, a very bad financial decision.
No, because we get them on sale and we get them when we know we can.
Yeah.
We go very long times without getting them.
Oh, a very long time. Speaking of very long time.
My coworker made me a birthday present, but I didn't get it for like a while because he was making it. And it has to do with like the new movie that just came out, Birds of Prey. And I love it, and he doesn't trust me with it, so it kind of just stays away. But look!
Yeah.
I got a mallet.
She has a mallet.
It's kind of after the new 52, which she has like a lot of gray in that outfit, but also a mix of her mallet from this movie, with like the cool stripes and stuff. It's awesome, and it's really like, it's a mallet. It's an actual mallet. Like it was brown. It was funny because I seen it in his car.
Yeah?
Yeah, and he's like, oh, I thought it was ruined. I was like, why would I think a mallet is anything?
I don't know.
It was like old. He had to put like new like bits on the side and like re-nail it and stuff.
That's cool. I mean, yeah, I like it a lot.
It's awesome. And if we ever get an intruder, we're just gonna beat them with this mallet.
It's also really good for pounding your chicken when you need to flatten it out.
You better not have done that. I still have to spray paint it with like a clear coat of sealant because we have cats and it's kind of sticky still because it doesn't have sealant on it. So I have to like clean it up and spray it down.
Yeah.
Because that even sticks to plastic, which is weird. I like ripped it off the bag. Oh, with this? No. Okay, this deck, I want to show that and it fits the rest of the stuff.
Yeah.
You can take it now.
Well, you have it. Yeah.
This is from another coworker of mine. I have awesome coworkers.
Alright.
They're awesome.
This one in particular, yeah, that's my favorite. Like I said, I've been telling her not to touch these for a while because
It's legit been about like
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 to 3 weeks.
2 weeks.
I'm better with timing.
2 weeks. Yeah.
Because they're mine, and he told me not to open it. And I'm like, what?
Which just kind of happened, jump right into opening this one just because, I mean, like I said, we've been waiting a while to do it. Mm-hmm. Number one, I like backgrounds to boxes. Some boxes come with really cool ones like this. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna probably keep it.
It's
I'm not
very
even
them
gonna lie. I don't know why, but I'm going to keep this.
It's her and then it's him.
Yeah. Yeah, I know, but I mean, there's no logical reason outside of that for me to keep it.
Like this.
I'm not gonna do nothing for it.
You can show the back if there's no cool pictures. Yeah. This is also by Funko, so don't think that Funko still didn't get our money.
Well, they didn't get our money. They didn't get our money.
It was a gift, but they got money. Funko getting it all.
I'm not gonna make this one mistake like this one YouTube rewatch. These do come with bases. I'm not just gonna toss them off to the side. And
I want to sing the song so bad.
Here's Harley Box Quinn. Right there.
Cool little gun.
Her little sassiness. You wanna go and pop her on the stand real quick?
Yes. Oh, it feels so good to like hold it. Shut up.
And then here's Mr. J.
Doesn't matter which stand.
No.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Oh, one hole's just bigger than the other. So it matters how you put them on the stand.
Yeah. So you boop boop.
It's so nice. It's the classic outfits.
Get in there. There we go.
See? It wasn't as easy as it should have been.
Boom. So that's really dope.
It is. It's so like OG.
Even the Joker card in his hand is really detailed.
I wish the gun was more detailed because her guns always have writing on them.
Okay.
They always say something like, I don't know, fun something. But it doesn't. That's okay. She got a little
little mole.
on her. It looks like a smudge to me. I saw it when I was like, you got a little smudge on her cheek, but you know.
It's not a mole.
Okay, she's got a cute little love mark.
She has a mole.
But they're awesome.
Yeah.
His smile is just so perfectly long and like.
It's funny. I was talking about this last night. These long, creepy smiles that go like really high, it's like mostly movie stuff, creep me out. I don't know why.
Yeah,
especially
carving a smile creeped me out.
Like if he would just keep like a straight face and just have this huge, just nah.
We've seen that, and he does not like it.
I don't. It's not like I'm like ah. It's just like
visually
cringy a little bit, yeah.
You
So
can't process it.
I'm like nah, man.
No.
You gonna smile, make your ass smile too. That kind of deal. All right, so
Last,
like she said, but definitely not least.
for sure.
Are they would they be considered the grand finale?
They are.
They are.
Yeah.
All right. Well.
Most definitely.
Do you want to do a 308, 307, or 302 first?
You say numbers like I. Oh well, I don't have to.
No.
I don't like the out of order numbers. Okay, well let's do this in the order that I saw in the movie.
That was starting off in the movie.
Was it?
Yes.
No, it wasn't. Not until later.
No, it was starting off in the movie and then they rewound it.
Technically. Okay.
Spoiler.
I don't know what to say because I'm so happy.
Yeah. She doesn't have much Harley Quinn stuff, even though people think she does.
Yeah, I should.
She talks about Harley like all the time, so people think, oh, she has a lot of Harley Quinn
shoe,
stuff.
and I know why. We watched this movie right after getting these.
Yeah. So.
And she's missing a shoe, and I know why. I didn't even realize it when I got it. I was like,
yeah.
There's like 4 current different versions of Harley Quinn because she goes through outfit changes through the whole movie. And I know they're gonna release more because I've seen them draw up more. She's holding her sandwich.
She has her sandwich.
In the wrapper.
We saw the jacket she has on here at Hot Topic.
I want it.
Yeah, it was, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of cool.
It's so cool.
It's a lot, but it's kind of cool.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
Just a lot, but so cool. I love this. The movie was great. Go see it.
Yeah.
Birds of Prey, if you don't know.
It was way better than Suicide Squad.
So much better. It had you dying laughing in like the first 10 minutes of it.
Yeah. I know.
And it keeps you laughing.
It's a. There was a moment in this movie that we knew was gonna happen, but we also kind of like, if it doesn't, we're gonna be upset. And when it did, we lost our shit. No lie. Yeah. And I usually don't go that wild for movies and stuff like. When I saw Power Rangers, don't judge me. Maybe like one other film, but I don't remember what it is because.
She's joining the conversation.
So. But yeah,
nice
it was. The one thing I will say, hashtag spoiler alert, I didn't like the fact she only had one hyena.
Well, because she doesn't get them both at the same time.
I figured at the end though she was gonna get it. You know?
That just means there's gonna be another movie.
Hopefully.
I mean, but you know that she only has one hyena.
We'll find out at the end of this opening weekend if she's gonna get another movie or not.
I mean, Suicide Squad did horribly, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they made this movie because she did well.
Yeah. She did well.
So, I think it's gonna get another movie. I'm pretty sure it is. You want to choose the next one? So I didn't get just one.
Beaver.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. I'm gonna go get the rest of them because there's other characters from the movie. I'm probably not gonna get the bad guy though.
Yeah. You're gonna get the bad guy.
I'm not gonna get the bad guy. This one had a piece to come with it, which is the beaver. If you read Rebirth at all, I don't know about New 52. I didn't really read that one, but the beaver's in there, and it's like he talks to her in her mind. But like in the comics, you can see his little words because he judges her silently. He's missing an eye. Mm-hmm. He doesn't always wear a crown, but this one he wears a crown. And they had this shirt that says her name all over it at the store we got her at. And I want it so bad because it just says Harley and then like Quinn. And it's everywhere. Yeah. Separated. Like a normal t-shirt.
That's cool. I like this. His ears aren't even connected to the crown. Small details make me very happy. I like.
Yeah, because pop makes are very detailed.
Yeah.
Which these YouTubers we watch that do like a lot of pops too. I hope they get these and do a review on them.
I mean, I've seen some pops where they just kind of just drop the ball completely, oh, yeah. And you're like, nah, most man, definitely. You like I've seen a Joker pop very similar to this, but his hair wasn't like textured or ribbed. Like you can hear the ribbon. It was just like a smooth paint job, and I was like, no, legit. The other one is just like it has textured hair.
Yeah.
So I mean,
it did detail. You can even see because it shows. I think in the preview where she chopped off her hair. Yeah. You can even see how she just roughly took the scissors and chopped off her hair, so you can see that. And she doesn't wear pigtails in the whole movie. Okay. It's not just pigtails because these all have pigtails. She changes her hairstyle, so that's very nice. I think she wears the same earrings.
Pudding cups. Because she had pudding. Okay, that makes sense.
So, this one she just has the J.
The J necklace?
Yeah. At least it looks like it. But, okay, I didn't just get one. I didn't just get two because I had problems. I got 3. And I almost got 4. I almost got the 4 that were available, but I was like, be smart.
Yeah, I had to, like, pull her out the store.
He didn't have to, like, you didn't see, he almost bought something and stuff. He didn't, though.
No.
She does roller derby, which is also in the Rebirth, because this is kind of modeled after from Rebirth, but she does roller derby, and oh, I love her roller derby. It's so awesome. She's so aggressive.
Yeah, it was kind of dope. I'm not gonna lie.
It's so awesome. I love that part of the comics. And see, like, it's funny because she has longer hair here. It's right before she chops off her hair.
Yeah.
And
it's funny because what's chopped off is darker than this.
She probably freshly dyed it.
She re-dyed it.
I mean, yeah.
Oh, this is darker, but then the blues is lighter. I don't know. I like details. So.
I mean, the hair color changes, and by the end, it's completely different.
Yeah. You want to put this young lady on her stand?
Yep. It's so awesome. I love the roller derby. Roller derby was my favorite. I love this movie that was made in Austin that's based off roller derby. So this is caution tape because of the jacket. That's roller derby because of roller derby. And this one's just Harley Quinn and Beaver.
So
because it's Harley Quinn and Beaver.
Caution tape. Roller derby. And I'm going to start getting him without making him fall. Harley and Beaver.
And then, yeah, I'm missing the Black Mask. Which is, now that I've seen that scene, I want it
even more.
Because at first I was like, oh, that's a very, like, dull stance compared to these ones. She's just kind of standing there in an outfit. Her hair is different, which I love. But, like, I've seen the movie. I know that scene. And it actually means a lot to the movie. That club.
Yeah, so. It's a really, really nice character art. So.
And Black Canary. The name of it is Booby Trap Battle.
Because she has the yellow shirt?
She took off her jacket.
Yeah.
Black Canary was my favorite. Canary was my favorite.
I know I don't like Black Canary.
I knew too. That's why I wanted her pop. I want her pop. I'm getting her pop. But she's holding a bat.
I want her pop.
You're disgusting.
I want her pop?
Yeah.
I wanted to just, what did you do? Yep. Yep.
What's the other ones?
We have the Huntress, which I'm not gonna lie, I wish she had on more purple. Weird thing for me, but you know, Huntress wears purple. She had a really close comic book accurate outfit at the end.
Her arrows were purple. They were. They had purple little whatever those are called.
Flares.
Yeah.
And like the trench coat would have been dope. I mean, the Huntress comic book I got, it's like the old fashioned trench coat, purple trench coat with like the super huge cat eye mask type deal. Yeah.
It's definitely more like from the show, the Arrow.
Yeah.
It's more like that.
Yeah. So.
She was more socially awkward.
Yeah. That was our day.
These are our babies. Babies. Other ones on table. Can't hold them all.
Someone's getting sleepy, so we're going to go ahead and close this video out. This has been another episode of Evan
and Ari.
And we'll catch you guys in the next video.